Oh, Arces on the upper bull, Modern Love on the outside, Mahogany Red, Dowry, then Paladawar on the outside, by Pagsanhan Pauls, Leonor, and Warhawk is the early trailer. Now we've got on the outside is Mahogany Red, in the middle portion is Pearl Bull, Modern Love, Dowry is racing in port, Pagsanhan Pauls, Leonor, and Warhawk is racing in last, Mahogany Red, Pearl Bull on the outside, Pagsanhan Pauls, Modern Love, Dowry joining them in the middle. Then racing in 6 comes Leonor and Warhawk. This time we have Pearl Bull takes the lead, running by the release Modern Love. Dowry on the outside and followed by Pagsanhan Pauls. Running by the Mahogany Red. Pearl Bull, Dowry, Modern Love is running by the It's now Pearl Bull running by the release Modern Love. Dowry on the outside. Then comes Pagsanhan Pauls and Leonor. Pearl Bull takes the lead. Modern Love is running by the Dowry in third. As they come down at the last of the Pearl Bull running by the release Modern Love, Dowry in third. But it's still Pearl Bull by about 2 lengths over Modern Love. And nearing the finish line, it's still Pearl Bull. Second is Modern Love, Pagsanhan Pauls, Dowry. Then comes Leonor, Warhawk, and Mahogany Red.
Okay, Bayang Karerista, it's an upset para dito sa ating race number 5 by 2-horse Pearl Bull with the apprentice jockey PJA Gusay kasama sa segundo nga numero 1, Modern Love, numero 6, Pagsanhan Pauls. Ito po ang pruweba ng ating unofficial winner, 2-horse Pearl Bull, 7, 24, 24 and a half, finishing at 27 with a total 122.4 for 1,300 meter distance.